The main difference between a normal hand clapper and a artistic and professional hand clapper like myself are a couple factors. One of which definitely being the rate at which I can clap. Definitely the different techniques. I've got the normal hand clap, but then there's also, active front, fist bump, side fist bump, palm slap. I've got one hand clap standing still, moving, gives it a lot better motion, a lot faster. I also can do it with left hand. You've got your fast claps here. Not many people can do that, but I've perfected it over the years. There are several ways to keep my hands conditioned. One way especially that I always follow, make it a rule that within 48 hours of a competition coming up, I refuse to even go near my girlfriend, so as to keep my hands not clammy and not sweaty, because we cannot have clammy and sweaty hands and be a champion. Also, another huge helpful thing, chapstick. There's only a handful of people in the world who can clap, love to clap, and have actually turned a routine type of sound into an art.